stop it. Nerve pain can feel like your body is turning against you. It starts as a tingle. Then it becomes a burn. Sometimes it is like electric shocks in your hands or feet. It messes with your sleep, your focus, and your peace of mind. But here's the wild part. What you are eating could be making it worse. Or it could be helping your nerves heal. In this video, you are going to learn exactly what foods can support your nervous system, and what foods you need to stop eating today. You will also learn about nutrients your nerves are starving for, and what habits are blocking them from getting better. Let us start with the helpful food that you should eat regularly. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Omega-3s are essential for repairing the myelin sheath. That is the protective layer around your nerves. When it gets damaged, you feel pain. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and help the nerve send signals correctly. Research shows omega-3s can even support regeneration of damaged nerves. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. If you do not eat fish, try flax seeds, chia seeds, or algae oil supplements. Number 2. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that helps calm overactive nerves. It is also key for muscle relaxation and sleep. People who are low in magnesium are more likely to feel nerve pain, cramps, and anxiety. Good sources of magnesium include spinach, pumpkin seeds, black beans, and almonds. Try adding these into meals every day. Even a daily handful of seeds can make a difference. Number 3. B vitamins. Your nerves need B vitamins to function. Especially B1, B6, and B12. B12 helps build and repair nerves. B1 protects against nerve damage. B6 supports nerve signal transmission. Lack of B vitamins can lead to tingling, numbness, and burning pain. Good sources are eggs, fortified cereals, dairy, tuna, and beef. If you are plant-based, go for nutritional yeast or talk to a doctor about supplements. Not all B12 supplements are absorbed well, especially if you have gut issues. Number 4. Polyphenols. These are powerful plant compounds found in berries, green tea, and pomegranate. They help fight oxidative stress, which damages nerves over time. Studies show that polyphenols can lower inflammation and protect nerve tissue. Have a handful of blueberries with your breakfast. Swap your afternoon coffee for green tea. Add pomegranate juice to your smoothie. Small habits make a big difference. Number 5. Fermented foods. Your gut is more connected to your nerves than you think. A healthy gut helps absorb vitamins. It also helps control inflammation. Kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and yogurt feed the good bacteria in your gut. That supports immune health and calms the nervous system. Try adding one fermented food to your daily routine. Number 6. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is an antioxidant that has been shown to improve nerve function. It helps with symptoms of diabetic neuropathy in several clinical trials. You can find ALA in spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, and peas. It is also available in supplement form. Some people feel a big difference after just a few weeks of Alabama, but talk to your doctor first if you are on medications. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It helps reduce nerve pain and inflammation in the body. Studies show curcumin works especially well for people with sciatica and diabetic nerve pain. Add turmeric to your cooking. Eat curry. Or take supplements. If you are finding value so far, subscribe to Nana's Natural Cures now. Now let us talk about the foods and habits that are making your nerves worse. Number 1. Ultra-processed foods. Fast food. Packaged snacks. Frozen dinners. Sugary drinks. These foods are loaded with salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. They cause chronic inflammation, which damages your nerves over time. They also mess with your blood sugar, which is a major cause of nerve damage. If it has a long list of ingredients you cannot pronounce, ditch it. Number 2. Alcohol. Alcohol is toxic to nerves. It strips your body of nutrients like vitamin B1. That leads to numbness, tingling, and burning in the hands and feet. Even moderate drinking can make nerve pain worse. Cutting out alcohol is one of the most effective ways to stop further damage. Number 3. Sitting too long. Your nerves hate pressure. Sitting for long hours compresses nerves in the hips and spine. This can lead to sciatica or worsen existing nerve pain. If you work at a desk, stand up every 30 minutes. Stretch. Move. Even a short walk can release that pressure. Number 4. Smoking. Smoking restricts blood flow. That means your nerves do not get enough oxygen or nutrients. It also increases inflammation throughout your body. If you are serious about healing your nerves, quitting smoking is non-negotiable. Now let's sum it all up. Your nerves need nutrients to work properly. The food you eat every single day can give your nerves what they need. Or take it away. Add foods like salmon, berries, spinach, yogurt, and turmeric. Cut out the packaged stuff, the booze, and the habits that block recovery. Give it 2 weeks. You'll be surprised how much better you feel. What is one food or habit you are going to change today to help your nerves heal? Comment